Why are you smiling?
Good company.
Ha! Oh, that's good.
Yeah, all right. Are you nervous right now?
Never in public.
There you have it.
Do you respect authority?
Fire you.
Is this a prank?
Do you understand the rules here?
I improvise.
All right then.
Are you aware you're blocking traffic?
Emotionally, yes. But in my heart, I'm parked with purpose.
Oh, come on. Fox, back it up. Nothing to see. Actually, you know what? Enjoy yourself. Do you have identification?
My personality.
Why are people staring at you? They recognize greatness.
Loud crowd.
Are you causing a disturbance?
Only happening.
Did y'all hear that? Only happiness.
Happening. Happening.
Do you know why I stopped you?
Because I stand out.
Do you plan to cooperate?
Within reason.
Do you plan to cooperate?
Within reason.
Okay, why is everyone filming?
This is memorable.
Did the bird just... Okay.
Do you know what time it is?
Comedy o'clock.
Oh, that's good. Should I write you up?
For charm?
I got you there.
All right. You're off the hook, buddy.
Are you enjoying this?
Immensely.
Smart bird.
Brilliant bird.
Do you plan to cooperate?
Within reason.
What's your excuse?
Charisma.
All right. I can't argue with that. Do you always talk back?
Only when questioned.
Well, all right then.
Are you filming this?
The crowd is.
Oh, wow. Did you hear that? All right, then.
Why won't you move?
Oh, man. Did you hear that?